Hello guys, welcome back to Basima's Atelier, and today we are going to be talking about a very special journal that I made recently. Now, what's the story about this journal? So I made this journal because I'm traveling to Ukraine soon, and I wanted a place to put all of my experience in. So you would consider this to be a traveling journal. And so this is one of my paintings, and I wanted to include it on the cover because I feel like it's very relatable to my whole purpose of this journal. So I kind of customized it to put this on the cover, and I added the button here and just kind of collage of fabrics. So this is the cover, and now let's dive inside. Okay guys, so in this journal I've included 4 signatures. 4 of them, 3 of them are normal signatures with different patterns of paper, and one of them is just watercolor papers. So a whole signature is just watercolor because I wanted to draw things and I wanted to have a specific signature for that. So let's get into the inside. So the inside in pages are just patterned papers, vintage patterned papers that I really like. So this is here and this is on the back. So this is the first signature. We have this beautiful butterfly that is sewn in, and this fabric, it's also sewed into the page. This is just copy paper, so this is white copy paper, and I stitched notepads yellow paper because I thought that having just copy paper is kind of boring to me. I don't like it, so this is what I did here. And on the stitching here just gives it a very beautiful look, so it wouldn't be boring to write here either. Watercolor paper, vintage book paper. This is I really like this paper, and I've included here just kind of text spot. So okay, so this is just like a text spot, so you can put things in here, as you can see, like this. And I made these glassine bags because I wanted to put dried things in here. So I'm going to visit my grandma. She lives at the village side of the country, and nature there is just so beautiful, and I just wanted to just kind of grab anything that I liked and dry it and then just kind of preserve it here. I thought that it would give it a very nice touch. Cardstock. So this is this journal in particular because I really want to write things down. This book is going to be kind of like an envelope book, so I'm including a lot of envelopes. Actually, it's like exactly the days that I'm spending there, so I'm actually spending like about 22 days there, and I'm gonna be including 22 envelopes in here. The purpose of the envelopes is to document each day as in a form of a letter. So I'm gonna be writing a letter, and in this letter I'll be talking about my day from start to end, and this way I will ensure that I'll be writing everything as it happened without excluding anything. So you'll find a lot of envelopes. Not all of them are ready yet, but you'll find a lot of things in here. Here. So watercolor papers, cardstock, and this is the middle part of the signature, and I just kind of included envelopes. So inside the envelope you'll see that there is the signature, so this does not show the signature ends. Here is another pocket where I've included an envelope, a small one. Copy paper. This is an envelope. I made envelope of a lot of things, so I made envelopes of copy paper and I stamped it as you saw in that one, and this is just vintage book pages. I made an envelope out of it. Okay, so this is vintage paper. This is also the glassine back. I have a lot of them throughout the book so that I would throw anything in them. This is a watercolor envelope that I stamped with these very cute birdies. And here, so this is very cute. And this is the end of the first signature. So this is the second signature. And that's it. So as you can see, it's a very chunky book. It's huge, and I still didn't include all the ephemeras in here. So there are ephemeras like these little fold outs. So these are like to write something in or just kind of stick things in here. So there is this one, there is this one. This is also going into it, and these tabs, sewn tabs with, it's gonna, I need to like kind of put something on them and include them. And this envelope that is sewn all around. So there are a lot of things that are going into this junk journal, travel journal. I really like it. I hope you guys liked it too. Let me know about your thoughts on this project, and if you would like to see how this is made, let me know. Hope you all are having a good day. Thank you.